Buenos días, and welcome to our foreign language Spanish class on this online format. I know it's not ideal because we need the class interaction between you as a student and us as teachers, especially in a foreign language class. But this is what we have right now, and you know the reason why we have to switch to this online format. We are going to make it to the end, but we need to follow some guidelines. Número uno, you have to develop a routine in which you will check the announcements, check the classwork assignments and homeworks, and check the due date for you to complete those assignments. If you need to reach out to me because you have a question, you can email me and we can use this system for effective communication. You need to stay in control of your time. In many occasions, an online environment is more challenging and demanding than a face-to-face interaction with a teacher. In a classroom, the teacher is the one who sets the time for the activities, for your learning. In an online environment, you are the one who sets the time and who also becomes the person in control of your own time. So, we are there to work as a team, to work together. We are the Spanish online class team. That's how we can become a successful team if you take control of your time and you set your own routine to work on this online environment. I know that we all missed what we lost due to this health crisis, but if we work together, we can come back to that life that we miss so much. I'm here to help you out to be successful, and I'm welcoming you again to our online class. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and a wonderful semester. Adiós.